remember, what is the square root of 49? 49 is a perfect square. It's perfect. 7 times 7. So the square root of 49 is 7. Then we have variables, different thought process. With that variable, we have 12 a's. 2 goes into 12 6 times. And you're done. No more radical. Everything worked out beautifully where there was no radical left over. But then in this case, 8, you'd have to maybe rewrite this. 8 is 4 times 2. You got a perfect square. The square root of 4 is 2 with a 2 left over. So notice I dealt with the coefficient, the number first. Now I have 7 w's. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. So again, make sure you know the difference between dealing with just the coefficients, the numbers, and the variables. So if you're ready, I want you to try one more time, 2 of them on your own. Pause it once more and try and simplify these. And take your time. This will take a few minutes. Pause now. Square root of 12. 12 is 4 times 3. I have a p to the 6. 4 is a perfect square. The square root of 4 is going to give you 2 with a 3 left over. P to the 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times because I have 3 pairs of p and none left over. And that would be your final answer. 50. We did that actually earlier. 50 is 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square. Square root of 25 is 5 with a 2 left over. G to the 7th is 7 g's. How many pairs? 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over. So now that we've done all of those, that's a long video. You might want to go back, watch again if you need to, or pause before each one, give them a try again on your own. But now it's time to let's beat that test. The expression n to the 9th is equivalent to which of the following? Be careful. Make sure you know the difference between dealing with coefficients and dealing with exponents. Don't look at this and go, the square root of 9 is 3. That's there to mess with you. No. This is 9 m's. 9 m's. M, 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 M. M, 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 M. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 9. 4 times with 1 left over. That's how you simplify, again, variables with exponents. Don't be fooled by this. It's a good question. It's tricky. The answer would be D. Let's do one more. Another tricky one. The square root of 8, j to the 8th. Make sure you know the difference between the number, the coefficient, and the exponent, the power. In the final answer, what is the exponent on j? I'm going to work out all this, okay? So ready? 8 is going to be 4 times 2. So ready? The square root of 4 is 2 with a 2 left over. And that's how you simplify the coefficient. But then j to the 8th is 8 j's. How many pairs is that? 2 goes into 8 4 times and none left over. So the exponent on j would be the number 4. So again, make sure you know the difference between a variable with a raised to the power and the coefficient, the number in front.
And now I think it's time for a brain break. Hope you're taking notes and paying attention, and we're following Paul along his trek for $1 million. Good luck, Paul.
Let's double your money even further. Let's take it to $10,000, sir. Pick a category. I want to try the 1960s. The 1960s. We're taking it way back. Right now, House of the Rising Sun by the Animals, and I can't help myself. Sugar Pie Honey Bunch 4 times.
You know what, man? All those guy groups from that era are a lot of what I grew up on, because my dad played all those records growing up our house. My dad was a big Motown fan. Right here.
Hey, Dad.
Yes.
So if he gets this, then he owes it to you.
Yeah. I hope.
He hopes. So what are you going to do?
I'm going to do a little I can't help help myself.
I can't help myself. We're gonna go with the four tops. Well, of course, if we're doing the four tops, we need some backup dancers.
Yeah.
Let me get Dad up here to backup dance for you. I need two other guys. Let me see. You, sir, come on down. And you, sir, with the tie. Come on up. Hey, Dad, how are you, sir? How are you? Ready? We're going for four missing words. Come on up here. They are here to support you. So I'll let you guys be the four tops. I'll step over here. You do your thing. Get your $10,000. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go, Mr. Ricky Minor. Thank you so much, dancers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dad. Thank you, brother. Well, you are killing this. You are killing. I love you and nobody else. Now, you listened to Dad's records growing up. You had Dad back you up. Are you confident enough risking this potential $10,000 to lock in these lyrics, or are you using a backup? $10,000. Can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. I heard a lady on go, that voice. Are you gonna go with your gut?
I feel good about it, Wayne. I'm gonna lock in those lyrics.
Yes, sir. We're locking this in, folks. Is it I love you and nobody else?
You the man, Paul. You the man. Why don't you help out my Chicago Cubs?